Reimagine your coffee break with the Keurig K4000 cafe system, our first commercial brewer to brew cafe-style beverages using any K-Cup pod. Brew coffee, tea, or cocoa, or cafe-style beverages like French roast cappuccinos or pumpkin spice and chai tea lattes. The K4000 cafe system unlocks hundreds of beverage possibilities in a single brewer, delivering the perfect cup in under a minute. The intuitive touchscreen makes choosing the perfect beverage quick and easy. Choose from 5 cup sizes for a coffee and tea, or select from 3 cup sizes for specialty milk beverages. The 2 1-pound milk powder hoppers work in tandem to make up to 50 cafe-style beverages before needing to refill. The built-in mixing bowl creates whipped foam and steamed milk for delicious cafe-style beverages at the touch of the screen. The Keurig K4000 cafe system is designed for continuous use, with auto-eject pod functionality and direct waterline plumbing that allows for back-to-back brewing. Parts are removable for cleaning and maintenance, and the Quick Clean feature provides simple, automated rinse cycles to ensure your brewer continues to operate at peak performance. Our K-Cup pods are filled with freshly ground coffee from over 30 leading brands. Every ounce of the rich, full-flavored coffee is gently extracted to make the perfect cup every single time. Enjoy cafe-style beverages any time of day, no barista required, with the Keurig K4000 cafe system.